big, enormous. Example, the enormous stadium held thousands of fans. Happy, euphoric. Example, she felt euphoric when she got accepted into her dream college. Run, sprint. Example, the athlete sprinted across the finish line. Talk, converse. Example, the two friends conversed for hours about their favorite books. Walk, stroll. Example, they strolled through the park on a sunny afternoon. Look, gaze. Example, she gazed out at the breathtaking view from the top of the mountain. Eat, dine. Example, they dined at a fancy restaurant to celebrate their anniversary. Say, utter. Example, he uttered a few words of encouragement to his teammate. Go, proceed. Example, please proceed to the next step in the application process. Take, acquire. Example, the company acquired a new subsidiary last year. Give, bestow. Example, the award was bestowed upon the outstanding student. Think, ponder. Example, she pondered the meaning of life for hours. Know, recognize. Example, he recognized the famous painting from his art history class. Want, desire. Example, she desired to travel the world and experience new cultures. Need, require. Example, the project requires a team of skilled professionals. Like, admire. Example, I admire her dedication to her craft. Help, assist. Example, can you assist me with this task? Show, demonstrate. Example, the teacher demonstrated the experiment to the class. Tell, inform. Example, please inform me of any changes to the schedule. Ask, inquire. Example, I inquired about the availability of the product.